Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 7 on VMware Workstation 17. So what we already have a thing right here that's already created. We recommend you open that file, then locate the Windows 7 Professional. I already made this on myself, quick play virtual machine. I already created this, so that was before that. So anyways, let's get started. So when we play the virtual machine, it's gonna load up like this, and it's gonna boot up into Windows. In a few minutes, I will go ahead and get started with the things as before that. So as you can see, it's a little of a boot animation, which is pretty nice of it. That's cool. Now as you can see, we're on the screen, Windows 7. We'll leave it as the defaults. Click Next, then hit Install Now. And it's gonna bring up my, it's gonna saying setup is starting. It's gonna take about a few minutes. Should be that fair. Now next we have to accept the license terms and conditions. Hit Next. Click Custom. We already did this itself. I already made this, so we recommend you use the one we create on our virtual machine. Click Next to install this process. Now, it will take about a few minutes to expand all the files, and it will take about a few minutes until we get this through. So I'll be right back, and I'll catch to you once this is ready. Now once it goes here, it's asking me to restart my VM. Click Restart Now or wait for the timer. Totally do so, and it's gonna load up something. And don't press any key and let the screen pass through. Now it's gonna say Setup is starting services, and it's gonna say completing installation. It will complete my installation in a few minutes or seconds, but however, this might be a little bit fast as the last time. But however, in conclusion to this, Windows 7 was the best operating system that was included in this program, and this operating system is a great resultage to this OS. Now it will say setup will continue after restarting your computer, and your virtual machine will restart on its own. Now it's going to load up something on my screen like this, so it will take about a few minutes. Now it will see it's going to say it's going to set up for checking its VM performances, and it will be the first time to set up a VM, and it's going to come up on this screen. So it's going to say choose the username and name your computer to the description on the network. So I'm going to name this. I'm going to type in my name. That's what I call that name. Now I'm going to name this on the bottom. I would say IP Win 7. Like that. Hit Next. Now I will enter my password. I'm very sorry. There's something in the background because when I'm trying to enter the passwords, because you hear something in the background. And to the viewers out there, if you're watching this, if you hear something in the background, ignore it. Now, as you can see, I just did it myself. Hit Next. It's going to ask me for my product key, but however, I'll do that in the next time whenever I do so. I'll skip for now. Now we recommend you use help protect your computer improve Windows automatically. No, stop that. Stop the background noises, please. Use recommended settings. We recommend you change the time, so I'll leave it as it is, Pacific time, and that. Yeah. Click on Next. Now, as you can see, this computer is connected to my host machine, so it will automatically apply the correct network-based settings based on the network's location. In this case, for me, I choose Select Home Network. Now it's going to finalize my settings. Now it will load up to my welcome screen, and it should prepare my desktop. Now it will take about a few minutes. And as you can see, we're on our Windows 7 desktop. However, we're not done yet. We need to change the display. So I'm going to show you how you can change the display. Go to Start, then go to Control Panel. On System and Security, click on System and Security. Then, oh wait, no. Let's go back. Go at the top, go to Display, then click Display, and change display settings. And on here, we recommend you go up around like 1020 to 1080 gigabytes and click apply, then click keep changes. Should be like that. Now let me say you want to use it forever or something I want to say. So as you can see, we're connected. As you can see, if I go down here, as you can see, we're connected to the internet because it's connected from my host machine. So without further ado, here is the next thing we're going to do. Let me say you want to activate Windows by using Windows Loader. So on here, if I go to Internet Explorer, if I type in youtube.com, watch what happens. And it's going to say this. It's going to say this browser cannot be displayed or anything or something. And as you can see, currently installing with Windows 7, we have Internet Explorer 8. But unfortunately, it's too outdated to load most web pages. So, no, don't turn on. We'll use console settings. And if you do this, it will say that this page cannot be displayed error. That means we don't have anything installed. So I recommend you have to use the following versions like Opera, because it's not gonna do anything. But we totally recommend you have to use Firefox or Opera, and it's gonna say like this, and it's gonna be like, yeah, but this is a little bit. But if I go to Opera, and it's gonna say if I continue to this website, it's going to say like this, click download now, and this is what happens, because you know why, what I mean. And it's going to say like a certificate error. Yeah, but totally you need to install the latest version of Firefox for Windows 7. Hit run, hit yes to install this, hit standard, and click install. And you can launch on Firefox, and it should be there. I can also watch YouTube videos, and it'll actually play. Let me load up my channel. Now, as you can see, I can also watch YouTube videos, and this will work as well. Now, before I end the video, we totally recommend you have to install this Supremium. Go to download a 32-bit, and if I go here, hold on. Whoops, I meant to say 64-bit and not 32-bit because I made a mistake. So yeah. Now once on your desktop, click on this thing and hit yes to install. Click yes. Now select create shortcuts for Supremium, and we recommend you do that. Click on that and press OK to do this. And as you can see, Supremium has been successfully completed, and you shall see this web browser. Double click on it to open it up, and you shall see this process. And it's going to ask me to sign in to Supremium. Click don't sign in, or if you want to see the browser, select set as default. And you should see like a working browser. Now if I go to a website like Windows Loader, this will provide anything, but this will probably play. But if I go to YouTube, now this is also going to work with your browser as well. Now that's pretty much it to installing Windows 7, but before I end the video, a quick disclaimer. Windows 7 is no longer receiving security updates. It is vulnerable to security risks. Now as you can see, it's going to say the loader certificate and successfully installed. And once I click restart, it should restart my VM. Click restart and your VM will restart on its own. Now during the restart, you should see this process immediately. And so that's pretty much it to install this process. I hope you guys enjoy installing during this tutorial, and I hope you guys did. And just before that, we'll have to click eject to eject the tray. Well, anyways, that will be it for today's tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy the best in installing Windows 7. It's one of the best operating systems ever existed, but if you enjoyed it, surely subscribe and smash that like button. And in the meantime, I'll see you in another video. And in the meantime, oh wait, before I go, I had to change the picture just to let you know about that. So just mess that. Well, anyways, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in another video. May peace be with you.